Hello and welcome back to The Melt Show. I'm your host, Max, this time talking on camera for the first time ever. Sitting on a very squeaky chair on a windy day, so the whole garage door is flexing, and it sounds like there's some kind of crime happening outside, so yay. Oh, and now my dog is also scratching at the door. It's good, all good. It's been a little minute since I posted any videos. So last I left you off, I think I had just reassembled these carburetors. I filmed doing a bench sink and setting all the float heights, and I actually started filming mounting them onto the motorcycle frame. When in the process of doing that, I got really frustrated. It was like the new carb boots were just too new. So I was having a hard time, and then I busted my finger real good, and I was like, that's it, I'm done. And I stopped the cameras, and I think I used a rubber mallet to get them on, which is like, don't do that. But I got them on, and I hooked up a temporary fuel tank, and I got the bike started off camera, which is great, for entertainment purposes. And it was pretty good. The fourth cylinder was pretty cool. I'm assuming it's because my bench sink was off, and even looking at it here, I can tell that bench sink is off. It's the wrong height, but and it wasn't right, and I was like, this is the worst. So I took a step back, and what happens, like whenever you take a step back from a project, or often happens, is you go, notice some other things there that maybe could be addressed. And yeah, I addressed it by taking the whole bike apart. I tore it down to its frame, and in doing so found that there actually was a lot of rust on the rear end of the bike. That's the back of the frame, the swing arm, the center stand. There was grease that was black. It kind of matched the frame, but under that was rust. So I degreased, I removed the rust. I've repainted the frame, and that's kind of where it's at. I'm at that part of this project where I actually kind of like, where I've got a lot of little projects, like addressing the swing arm, the center stand, moving around. I just kind of like it. So that is where Project Tokyo Throwback is at, just kind of in pieces, but in a good state. Like, I've got parts, fasteners and stuff like that, and I've been, polishing things and making them look nice and all of that. So it's good. So moving forward, I will be just putting it back together, I guess, and I'll do that on camera. I realized that because I hadn't filmed disassembly, that there are whole parts that I've already forgotten how it works. So it'll be a little bit of a process getting like the center stand back on the right way, all of that. So it will be good, and we'll get it on camera. That way, if some other schmuck after me is like, I didn't take any photos of this, they'll be able to reference the videos and do it more easily than I did. So that is where things are. So I will keep on filming these little steps, little videos. When I say little, let's be honest, it'll be too long, as all the things that I make are. And yeah, that's neat. So thank you for watching this, all like 15 of you or 10 of you who watch. You're great. But all right, yeah, here we go. That's the show. See you later.